Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to create a 360 cam image effect on Higgsfield AI, and this is what I mean by that, by the 360 image cam effect. So all you have to do to create this is to log into your account on Higgsfield AI, and you can actually go through what the image is the website is all about. You can see mind-blowing visual effects created all with the click of a button. You can also see the image effects section and even go on to the camera control section here. So but to create the 360 cam, go to the Higgsfield so area, click on 360 cam, and then you'll be brought to a page similar to what I have here. Now all you have to do is to scroll down and choose an image that you would love to create your own. Like, so let's assume you want to create it like this. Just click on this, and we can see the prompt used to create it. Then go on to click on the recreate button below. So once you click on the recreate button, scroll down, you would see your image prompt here. You can now go on to modify it to make it yours, and then click on the aspect ratio to change it, or the resolution area here to change it, or alternate between the from the high, or to choose high or basic. The high allows you to create in with two credits, while the basic uses a single credit to create your image. And all these images I've created here are actually um, on the basic resolution, so you can actually generate any of these type of images all for free. So that's it guys. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section. Also, please subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thank you very much, and do have a great day.